The Eurosens Tank Manager Android application turns your Android tablet into display for a Eurosens Dominator fuel level sensor, which is equipped with a Bluetooth interface and sends the data to the remote server. In this video, we will show how to set up this application. The button Device Search allows you to find Eurosens fuel level sensors installed nearby. We add a sensor to the list of processed sensors with the plus icon. Next, go to the menu Sensors. It is assumed that the sensors are installed in tanks located in an area called a site. The site name can be edited. Each sensor can be given a name, for example, after the name of the tank. You can also set a percentage of minimum fuel volume for each tank. So, when the volume drops below the limit, the application sends an alarm email notification. Finally, you can set the geographic coordinates of the tank, and it will be displayed on the map. In the menu Objects, you can combine several tanks into one object. This option will reduce the tariff of the Wialon hosting software. By default, each tank has its own coordinates and sends information about the remaining fuel via the Wialon GPS protocol as a separate object with its own unique identifier, MAC address of the sensor. When installing 10 sensors, you have to pay the hosting cost for 10 objects. But we can combine several tanks into one object and pay as for one. In this menu, we select the parent object and attach other tanks to it. The application will send data in a single package as one object, and the coordinates of the tanks will be common and belong to the parent object. In the menu Servers, you can choose the data transfer protocol. The Wialon IPS protocol is used to work with the Wialon server. The application also supports the MQTT protocol. Using MQTT protocol, we can send data to the free Internet of Things platform called Thingsboard. It is always necessary to specify the IP address of the server and the server port for incoming data. For Thingsboard, you also need to specify a unique identifier for the object. In the email settings, we set the mail for notifications to be sent. To do this, you need to enable Less Secure mode and give the application access to your Google account. After setup, the application will start to display the volume of liquid in the tanks and send data to the specified server.